Hey guys, today's October the 4th, Friday of 2013. I want to go over the Euro. The US session just started. It's 8:35 Central Time. And I just want to give you my thoughts and my opinions. And I know this is an educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. I just give you my ideas, forecasting dates, but nothing's written in stone. Anything could happen, so I'm just giving you speculative ideas of what I see. That's on my thoughts. So just know that trading the market is very risky, and you can lose a lot of money. So trade wisely. With that being said, let's get into the chart. Okay, so right now we have the October dates to watch on the Gann emblem from pivot low September the 6th and pivot low July the 9th. You can see that we have cluster dates on October 7th, October 13th, and one on the 31st. And you see all the degrees right there. And on the pivot low on July the 9th, you have four on October 9th and two on the 15th. So I will. You should pay heed to all of them, but especially the ones that has the most hits, which is the October 9th, and then work your way up to the other dates. But that one is, and then October 15 you should watch also because October 15 from the 5/4 2011 high to the 7/24 2012 low. October 15 is the 50% within time and price of that grid. So we meet right smack in the middle on the 15. So, it's always good to always watch these, middle points within extreme ranges and see what the euro does. So October 15 is another day you should keep heed and watch. Going into timing solutions, this is a spectrum solution, internal algorithm calculation that it has, and I wanted to show you that the 19th of September really worked. I went short and got a few pips, and then came out, and then it just kind of been choppy, and then it pops, and so it surprised me. But I mean, it really did surprise me because it looks like these all lined up, so it was a good pivot to go higher. And now it looks like right here with the green, which is the 300, it looks like it's turning. The blue turns around here on the 7th. Um, and I think the big one, which is the 1000, turns on the 11th. Around there, 11th, 12th. So we'll see. These are calculations on forecasting. Um, so as of right now, it's working. It's this was a really good hit. This is a good hit because it shot up, and now it's all turning here, turning here on the 7th, and then the last one on the 11th, and then it kind of finds a low somewhere around here on the 17, 8, 17, 18 around there, and then it goes up. But we'll see. We'll take it day by day and see how this is all working out. I also want to show you natural cycles. And I had to change my settings on this. Instead of using the 12 harmonic, I'm using the 1 harmonic. And I cut down the seasonal and the weekly and I have just this setting. And I seen some pretty interesting stuff. You can see that these cycles are all pointing up. And the big one right here, that blue one, turns in November. We haven't gotten to November yet, but I just wanted to show you that. And then this other one turns around late November. But and then the brown one, it's the monthly natural cycle. So you can see that right here, it was going down, and then somewhere around here, you see already. I mean, it got a head start on you, and it's already going up. And right here on the 9th, 27, it should have been turning, or the natural cycle is turning, but the market, still going higher. So we'll see, and it should find a low on the 14th. Which is interesting because on the 15th you got the 50% within time and price, and then you got this natural monthly cycle on the 14th. So it'll be interesting to watch all this stuff, and then it turns. So just wanted to show you that, and let's get into the good stuff, to the chart. Okay, so right now you see that I have my monthly, weekly, daily, and 12-hour. This is the way I always look at the big picture. I want to see what's going on. I want to see all the time frames, and I start from the biggest until the smallest, which is my, right after the daily. And then I break down the daily, which was a 24-hour day. I get 12 hours. So each candle is 12 hours. So as you can see right now, it's holding up at that 12.5% level right here too. and it's still bullish. Candles are all white, so the trend is still intact. It's just giving you arrows. It's telling you there's some issues up here, but it's telling you to still stay long. The only thing I'm concerned about is the divergence. While we're going higher, this is going lower, so it's not good. This is chop. This is just chop. This is still positive, but it looks like it wants to test the 50 level, which is right there, and you can see the divergence from here. You know, we're going sideways higher, you know, and the TTM shortwave is going lower. Same thing here. We did have a squeeze play, all these red ones, and then we had that pop, that green one, and that's where that pop came in right there. This is positive. It's telling you it's bullish, very strong. Same thing here. This is just kind of chopped sideways. You can see some divergence. It's just going lower, and looks like this one's to test the 50. So it's out of the strong, bull trend. Not bull trend, the strong Momo. So it's kind of, it looks like people are taking profits. They don't want to, stay long over the weekend or something. And this is just still strong, kind of choppy, going back and forth, but the majority of the arrows are pointing up. This is still strong in zoom mode. This is kind of giving you a heads up, something's not right up north. But still, strong. Divergence on the MACD. And this is going up, and now it's giving you a head signal. But this one is a stronger one because this one keeps you in the trend. So this is positive. This one just gives you warning signs right there. You got the new moon, which is today. And we'll see if the markets, is going to turn and do a new moon turn cycle and maybe go lower, depending how low it is. And then once the full moon comes, kick up. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just speculating there. If you go to the weekly, you're above the 50% Fibonacci level. So that's strong. This is strong, strong, strong. Everything here is strong. You can see that you had a squeeze play and you had the trigger right here to go long. It sold off here, but if you go to all your Fibonacci levels in your support system, the 50, the 20, the end of the mobile band, you could have got in and got that nice pop. This is divergence. I mean, not divergence. Price is going higher. So on the weekly, it's showing a lot of strength, and on the monthly, the same thing. Above the 50, you want to test that 50% level right there at 3707, which is a high of February the 1st, which is the 3710. Positive. I mean, this is all positive right here, and you got a squeeze play to the upside on the monthly, and it hasn't triggered yet, but you can see you got blue bars. So everything is looking good. Everything is strong, very healthy. Just had a nice little pullback to the 12.5%, so that's still strong. The only thing I'm just telling you as an advice, just look at those turn dates, and if you're in there, stay long, and just trail your stops. And that's it. Hope you enjoy this weekend. Good trading to you today, and I'll see you Monday. Peace.